Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you few steps which will make you to solve any type of nodal questions. Please watch this video carefully. It will really be helpful for you to solve any type of nodal questions. As you know that nodal analysis is application of Kirchhoff's current law KCL. Friends, these are the few steps. If you want, you can have a complete screenshot of these steps. Now let's go to the step. Here firstly you need to identify the number of nodes in any electrical circuit to solve the question of nodal analysis. Then what is the node in case of nodal analysis? A node is a point in which more than two branches are connected. So to solve any electrical circuit using nodal analysis, we need to find the nodes. And which nodes? Nodes is a point in which more than two branches are connected. After that, you need to assume a reference point, a point where voltage V equals to 0. After that, you need to give the direction of the current as an incoming current or outgoing current as per your wish. Then apply the Kirchhoff's current law. That's all you need to do. These are the steps, and friends, here I'm going to tell you a tricks. If you will follow these tricks, you can solve any sort of nodal analysis easily. So friends, let's look to it. The first type of branch, these are the types of branch you will get in a nodal analysis. This is a first type of branch where you will find only a single resistance in a circuit. If you will find a single resistance, all you need to do is you need to find the current IAB. If the current is moving from A to B, here all we will do is IAB equals to potential difference upon current VA minus BB by R. After that, if the current in the same branch is moving, if you have assumed outgoing current from B to A, the equation will change other way around, BB minus BA by R. Similarly, if you are provided a branch with a single current source, here all you will do, if you have assumed the direction in the same direction as a current source, for example A to B, then your current will be IAB equals to current source value I. If you assume the direction in opposite direction, here you will have minus I. After that, this type of voltage source, this type of branch in which you will have a resistance along with a voltage source. This type of voltage source branch where you will have a resistance of voltage source. If you will assume the direction from A to B, all you need to do is you need to voltage this potential minus this potential. Here we have done BA minus BB. Then for this you will watch the direction as it is moving from positive to negative. That's why plus to minus. Plus to minus means we will have negative sign minus B upon total resistance. Similarly, if you have assumed the direction in opposite way, other way around, B to A, then you will have VB minus BA potential difference, and for the direction minus to plus, then you will have minus to plus means positive sign, plus B upon R. That's all. Friends, if you will solve the problem using all these concepts clear, then you won't have any problem. Thank you.